Assalamu alaikum and a very warm welcome. This is the latest update on COVID-19 schedule. Now let's look at one by one. Now every time I'll update, you'll see the latest date on the first row, last update. So I'm showing you over here. Okay, so at the moment the latest update is on the 24th of April 2020. Okay, let's move on to the second row. So you have a total of 14 weeks. Okay, and each week relates to the date. So as you have been briefed before, this course consists of two groups. One group will be on Tuesday from 2 to 5, and group 2 will be on Friday from 3 to 6. Okay, it's not going to be an issue for which group you're going to be for this course, because I'm going to give you a pre-recorded video so you can watch anytime you like. Now for mode, at the moment we're going to define e-learning throughout the whole 6 to the 14 weeks. Okay, chapter has been briefed to you previously. We have a total of 7 chapters. Now we are at the soil consolidation, chapter number 3, part 1. We're going to move on to part 2 and so on. Okay, and each of the chapter is related to the course outcome. We have a total of 3 course outcome. This is C01, C02 and C03, and each course outcome is linked to program outcome. Okay, so if you remember, we have a total of 12 POs. So for course outcome number 1 is related to program outcome number 1, which is in the aspect of engineering knowledge. Okay, you can read more from here. Now course outcome number 2 relates to program outcome number 2, which is in the aspect of problem analysis. And lastly, for course outcome number 3 relates to program outcome number 4, which is more on investigation. Now for the inquiries, I'm opening a WhatsApp channel, or from the spectrum. You can ask anytime you like within this 14 weeks. Any problems regarding any issues you like to raise, please use this WhatsApp application or spectrum. In this course, you'll also be introduced to geotechnical software, which is called GE05 2019. And the next row will be on the design paths. Okay, for each of the topics, you will be assigned to design path. Make sure you do all of these paths. Okay, all throughout the 12 weeks. Project report, you have 2 project reports. Okay, project 1 relates to slope stability and project number 2 relates to site investigation. So the second last row is on the exam preparation. You have a total of 3 questions, and each question relates back to the title that we discussed previously. Question number 1 relates to stress distribution, question number 2 on slope stability, and question number 3 is on site investigation. Okay, and lastly on geotechnical activities or related construction project, just to make sure that you actually understand each of this topic. I made some link between site or case study with the respective chapter. For example, for soil compaction here, okay, the case study that I will give is on soil strengthening method and also on the construction of railway. Okay, so this is as far as we get at the very moment. COVID-19 schedule.